of our Sunday doubleheader. UST taking set number 1, 25-11.
Well, the first set, the Lady Bulldogs started off well, but towards, nung mga umaabot na ng 5 points, itong UST recovered quickly, very quickly. They dictated the pace of the game. They had much better offense, and clearly in the last part of the first set, nahirapan sa opensa ang Lady Bulldogs. And to top that off, they were also having a difficult time in getting a good service reception.
3-0 yung panimula ng National University, but after that, UST got a lead as big as 11 towards the end, courtesy of Maika Ortiz, Ingrid Reyes, nakapuntos din si Midori Hirotsuji, and take a look at the numbers here in the stats.
Well, very clear again, UST dominating this match with 12 attack points as compared to only 6 for the Lady Bulldogs. Blocking, hindi naman ganun kalayo. There were also a few points there for service aces, but if you look at the errors, there were about 10 for the Lady Bulldogs as compared to only 3 of the Lady Tigresses. So it really won't help that your opponent actually has better offense. And to top that off, you give them more points with the errors.
And ito yung concern. I mean, several times we went and listened to Coach Francis Vicente in the first set, and ito lang yung tinutukan talaga. The focus was on how tense the Lady Bulldogs were and how the service reception was, how bad it was, and hindi pa rin naayos, and those were the things that brought on those 10 unforced errors. Hey, Disney on Ice is back. Let's celebrate. Special one-time deal. Get up to 50% off on selected tickets up to today, only December 18. Disney on Ice is from December 25 to January 3. Buy your tickets now. Call 911-5555. Set number 2. Just about to get underway dito. And you have to set things right dito. Have to loosen up a little bit. Yun yung malaking problema nila, no? Is, I mean, and as a player, you've gone through all of these, the range of emotions that you have. Was it tense talaga yung pag-reception nila, or were they just really prone to service reception errors?
No, I think kanina, no, yun yung pinopoint out ni Coach Francis Vicente. Medyo tense, eh. You would see the difference, because if you see a happy NU team, you'd see them very loose, all smiles. Pero in the first set, that wasn't something that we saw. Talagang lahat, mukha silang focus because nakatingin talaga sila sa kalaban. Pero yung problema, hindi sumusunod yung katawan.
Well, this should cheer the Lady Bulldogs up. A quick point again as they get the first point in set number 2, 1-0. Let's see kung magtutuloy-tuloy, ano? Itong gantong performance and ganitong looseness for National University.
Remember, this is how they started the first set. It was the same rotation. Kaya ni Pomuceno in the front line. All of the first 3 attacks that we had were converted into points.
Manatikla starting to get to work here. Gets the first point of UST. We're tied 1-1, set number 2. And this is the litmus test para sa NU. So far, a good reception. Byron overshoots, pero hinawakan, hindi makulangan yung bola. That might have been out.
She was going out, and di makulangan knew that. Nakatayo siya. She was standing right behind. Kinuha niya yung bola sa taas.
So at the beginning of set number 2, better service receptions for National University. Let's see if they can be more consistent with this as Manatikla gets another point.
Coach Francis is also trying out a different mix. Byron is now starting here in the second set.
Let's check in with Tiff Atendido.
Yes, Eric, with the 6th game with the Tigresses, I asked Coach Oji how the adjustment has been so far. Well, he answered it's been tough and not as smooth as he wanted it to be, especially logistics-wise. But winning the first set, he had nothing but praise for the girls, especially on service coverage and attack. But for his adjustments in the second set, it includes basahin ang play ng Lady Bulldogs at mag-adjust. Babawi yan, kaya we have to focus more. Now, on service, he also pointed out na pinakamahaba pag diagonal, kaya wag diretso i-serve ang bola. Lastly, Coach Ozzy did not like how the Tigresses were blocking in the first set. Nauunahan daw sila masyado, so they need more timing. Eric and Ann.
All right, thank you, Tiff, as we take a look at this perfect execution with Agano and Salibad. Mas maganda na yung kaninang opensa nitong Lady Bulldogs with better service reception, ano?
That's right. And yun nga, they're able to execute more plays just like a quick attack. Dahil kita natin kanina halos hindi na gumalaw si Saliba. Eksakto na all she had to do was the only thing she had to do was just set the ball.
Now going back to that report with Tiff, ano? Concerned si Coach Mamon about this second set. Alam niya, babawi itong NU. They'll be more relaxed. Pinawisan na, nag-init na ng konti. So, they'll be more loose in set number 2. And despite this, yung 25-11 win, hindi pa siya satisfied. Sabi niya, may mga problema pang gusto ko pa rin ayusin.
I think for him, it's not just about winning the set, but really perfecting their craft while they're inside the court.
Now let's find out the words of Coach Francis Vicente in between sets as we check in with Step C.
You have to have the heart to win, said Coach Francis, clearly emphasizing that they already have to put their effort inside the court and they have to keep calm in whatever they do. Of course, the goal of the Lady Bulldogs for this season is to improve their finish last year and to finally make it to the Final Four. Nevertheless, what's important now is to focus and to win this game first. Kaya nga sinabi ni Coach Francis sa kanila na kailangan natin manalo, pero paano tayo manalo kung hindi kayo nag-relax? So it's all about taking away the pressure by simply enjoying the game and having fun. At the same time, he instructed the girls to be a leader and to do what they did during practice inside the court. Sabi nga niya, hindi pwede hanggang ensayo lang laro natin. Eric and Ann?
All right, thank you, Steph. Indeed, I guess during practices, ang ganda siguro ng pinapakita ng NU Lady Bulldogs. Kaya andun yung confidence ni Coach Vicente. The thing is, they just can't translate that when it comes to high-level competition in the UAAP. Yung live action na talaga, no?
But of course, the real test there is how you will perform. Hindi naman kasi hanggang practice lang talaga yun. Tama si Coach Francis. The real test is how the girls will execute everything that they did during their trainings on actual games.
And again, the word there was relax pa rin. We need this win. There's the urgency, the clear acknowledgement that the win is needed, pero you have to relax to get that done. So far, so good. Neck and neck pa rin yung laban natin, ano?
That's right. And I think much better movement also from the Lady Bulldogs in terms of reception. Mas relaxed na, just like what Coach Francis wants.
5 serving 6. Carmina Aganon. Beautiful back set. And you was caught flat-footed that time, right?
That's right. And it's the same play that Ortiz and Di Maculangan actually execute. But notice that ang binavary nila, it's a long running attack or it's just right behind Di Maculangan.
And so far, the defense of NU hindi pa ganun ka-prepared for this kind of attack. Kasi kita-kita mo, hiwala yung blockers against Micah Ortiz, ano? There are some teams na medyo kabisado na yan, eh. Some teams na alam na nila, pag ganun yung medyo simula ng formation, alam na nila si Ortiz, pero NU was not aware at all of what was about to happen. Pero they got a point for themselves as well. 6 serving 7, NU within 1. That's just right on the line, and we're tied at 7-all.
And it's good that NU is actually keeping at pace with UST. They're not, letting go of such a big lead. Dahil kanina nakita nila yun, in the first set, it was very difficult for them na humabol sa UST dahil 11 points yung lamang.
Service ace. And NU, a very ecstatic 6 on the floor, courtesy of Mandapat, takes us to the first break of set number 2, 8-7 in favor of the Lady Bulldogs.